Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've put together a couple of mathematics solved problems on this channel. It is important for you to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the channel. If you have questions mathematically related, you can drop it on the comment section, or I will do a video solution and put it on this channel so you can have the solutions that you so desire. I want you to sit back and watch some of the videos we have here and see how we can do what we know how to do best. Coordinate 42 degrees north, 74 degrees west, and Rome is on the coordinate 42 degrees north, 12 degrees east, measured along the parallel of latitude. What is the difference between this and what I discussed in the first lesson? The radius of the parallel of latitude is the difference. The radius of the parallel of latitude. The radius of the parallel of latitude is just the difference here. And this radius, small arrow, is given as the radius of the earth cos alpha, where alpha is the angle related to the latitude on this in this coordinate. Latitude in this coordinate between New York and Rome here. Now, to answer this question in the way we should do, the first thing we need to establish is to draw the spherical shape of the earth. Let's take this to be the spherical shape of the earth. Of course, we must locate our polar axis, which runs from the north to the south. Then we must look at the line of the equator, which goes from the east to the west, and your great circle, which we can see here. Okay, using the coordinates given to us for New York and Rome, we can locate these two countries on the surface of the earth, just like what I have here. New York, they are both on the same latitude but on different longitude. New York is on the west, which is towards this side, and it's 74 degrees west. Now the lines of longitude, which is 74 degrees here and 12 degrees east here, are measured east or west of the Greenwich meridian. East or west of the Greenwich meridian in London. Now this is the line of longitude this is for New York, 74 degrees west, and this is for Rome, 12 degrees east. Now if I take the measurement from the line passing through the Greenwich meridian, because it is towards the north, you can see I'll move up to the north here and measure from the line from this point down to this point is 90 degrees. If I measure that of New York here, which is 74 degrees west, I won't get all the way to 90 degrees. Let's say somewhere here, okay, somewhere here, and then I take the longitude of New York. This can be seen to be the longitude as it goes down this way. So the longitude of New York is somewhere here. This is New York from my diagram here, New York, and it's on longitude 74 degrees west. Then I come again to Rome. Rome has its on longitude 12 degrees, just a small like this. Rome is somewhere here, just 12 degrees. If I take the longitude of Rome and we have it to be here, and it touches this point here, this is the longitude of Rome. This is that of Rome here, and it's just 12 degrees east on the east side. Now this is the distance between New York and Rome as located from this diagram here. We can now go ahead to calculate the distance between New York and Rome as it is given to us here. If we move over here, I can bring out this sector. Here we have New York, and this is where we have Rome. New York is 74 degrees west here, and Rome is just 12 degrees east. Now, the angle subtended at the center if we look at it, between them will just be the addition of these two longitudes. So here and this will give us 6, and 7 plus 1 here will give us 8. That gives us 86 degrees. How do we calculate the distance between New York and Rome here? Now, the distance between New York and Rome, between New York and Rome as given to us in the question is the length of the arc, is the length of the arc along the parallel of latitude, along the parallel of latitude. Because it's along the parallel of latitude, our formula will be theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi arrow cos alpha, where our small arrow is, which is the radius of the parallel of latitude, is capital arrow, the radius of the earth, cos alpha. I said alpha here is related to the angle, the latitude given to us in the question. So to find this, the values here will be theta here is the angle subtended at the center. That will be 86 degrees over 360 degrees times 2. Take our pi here to be 22 over 7 times the radius of the earth, which is 6,400, cos 42 degrees. If we go ahead here, calculating this distance, once we come up with this, our value will be 7,141.73 kilometers, which is approximately 7,100 kilometers to the nearest kilometer. To the nearest kilometer. So we've been able to calculate the distance